All right, so let's go ahead and put it into drive and take this puppy out to South Dixie. So like I mentioned, this model is powered by a 3.6 liter twin turbocharged V6 producing 472 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque. This one right here is mated to the 10-speed automatic transmission, or you can get, which comes standard with this model, the 6-speed Tremic Manual transmission. But driving this vehicle so far, there's no like piped in audio from what I'm telling so far when it comes to this model, because when it comes to performance vehicles, typically what they do is pipe in a lot of the audio into the cabin space. But I can hear that exhaust at the rear, and this isn't an aftermarket exhaust. This is a stock exhaust system for this model. But we're gonna take it over here out on South Dixie and let's see how this car drives. So taking it around that corner is actually very nice. Driving it normally, good amount of power and delivery from that twin turbo V6. Typically when it comes to twin turbocharged V6, they're not really good with low end torque. But let's put it into track mode, or actually let's put it into, let's see, yeah, you know what, let's put it into track mode and let's see, kick it down one more for manual, and let's go around these curves over here. Oh wow, that feels really good. That sport suspension livens up. This is the Magna Ride suspension for this model, and it's really good with optimizing the amount of balance that it needs for whenever it goes around corners and such, or the bumps. Now this feels really good. Drop a gear, let's see how it feels going over these bumps. Pretty good and adequate. That pop that you just heard when you shifted it around like 4,000 RPM, it made a very loud pop out of those quad exhaust tips. Let's do it again. Yeah, this is what I expected from, you know, a V6, a performance V6 from the Cadillac brand. You know, they've always been doing a lot of performance vehicles. You know, the CT V was one of their first performance sedans that they had, ATS V as well, and then they also had a CT4-V Blackwing that had a twin turbocharged V8, which that's where the Blackwing name came from, because that was the code name from that engine. But let's go ahead and shut up really quick and let's hear how it sounds overall. That pop that you hear from that exhaust is magnificent. No BMW can ever do that, because let me tell you, you have to get an aftermarket exhaust for those twin turbocharged inline six engines from the BMW counterpart, especially the G80 series models. But with this Cadillac, it comes straight from the factory with a lot of sound from those quad exhaust tip. That is magnificent. You know, one of the key things about an American performance vehicle is that they don't give a rat's ass about anything. You know, look what Ford did with the Mustang, look what they did with the Camaros, look what, you know, Chevy did with the Impala SS. You know, all those type of performance vehicles that has been in the history of, you know, General Motors, as well as American brands like Ford, as well as the Dodge counterparts. They don't care. They want to give you something that the Europeans don't give you, and that is sound of this V6, and that is also the way that this vehicle handles. I mean, it feels like you're on rails. Honestly, it doesn't even feel like it's a real drive vehicle whenever you're going around the curves like that. And mind you, I had it in track mode. Of course, I can go ahead and put it into the V mode, which turns off the traction control, and then it also stiffens up everything when it comes to this. But realistically, this is a really great performance vehicle, and it's something you honestly need to try and drive for yourself. All right, so let's go back down over here. Let's give it some gas. Oh man, this just feels so right. An American sedan that's performance oriented. This is what we needed. This is what we've needed, and this is phenomenal. I mean, I kind of want to go around those curves again just to see how this car performs again with the V mode activated. All right, so we're gonna come back over here again. I'm gonna drop some gears. And we're gonna give it some gas. That pop and bang. Ooh, it feels really good. Look at the way that it's just gripping the road right now. Even that suspension is working in overtime to go ahead and calibrate every single bump and surface in this road right here. Holy crap. Oh my God, this is a magnificent vehicle. Hats off to Cadillac. I can only imagine what, you know, the CT4-V Blackwing feels like with that, you know, supercharged V6. Yes, 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 yes. Hats off, Cadillac. Hats off. This is one of the greatest sedans that I've felt in a very long time when it comes to performance vehicles. You know, it gives you that nice shift points, and even in manual mode, I mean, it feels really good. Very responsive 10-speed automatic transmission. When you press those paddle shifters, it immediately goes into the next gear, which is something a lot of brands don't really do well when it comes to paddle shifters and an automatic transmission, especially a non-DCT transmission vehicle. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I want to give a huge shout out once again to BMW of South Miami for allowing me to film this vehicle. If y'all are interested in purchasing this vehicle or any of their other pre-owned vehicles, make sure to go ahead and contact them. They'll be able to assist you. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.